Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Persian by Proshat. Both of these letters are h, but the left one has a sound which doesn't exist in Persian. It's a different kind of h, which is introduced by Arabic. So all the words which have this letter are loan words taken from Arabic. So in Arabic, the right one is pronounced h, the left one is pronounced h. It's a little deeper and rough, okay? But in Persian, we don't consider any differences between them. So we pronounce the left one like the right one, h, normal h. But to differentiate them, in Persian, we have chosen some names for them. For example, the right one is called hey do cheshm, and the left one, hey jimi. Because the left one looks like Jim, we call it Jimmy, attributed to Jim. But what's the benefit of naming so? Imagine if someone asks me how to write the word Tehran. Then I would say, write it with the hey do cheshm, which means write it with the right one, not with the left one. Write it with the hey do cheshm. Why do we call it do cheshm? Because of this one. It looks like having two eyes inside and looking at us. Because do means two and cheshm means eye. So it's two-eyed, do cheshm. And these are the different forms of h. The initial one, medial one, final one, and the separate form. So maybe because the initial one looks prettier than all of them, so we call them by the name of this one, do cheshm. And here you see the separate form and the sticking form of the other h, hey jimi. And here is how we write the sticking and separate forms of hey do cheshm. An example for hey do cheshm, h plus a plus v plus a together, hava. Hava means air. T plus e plus h plus r plus a plus n together, Tehran. Tehran. The next example, h plus a plus m plus e plus h together, Hameh. Hameh means all. And this is how we write the last h faster. It's like not completing the circle, but leaving it like a curve. Now it's the turn of hey jimi. This is how we write the separate form, and this is how we write the sticking form. Example, h plus a plus r plus f together, harf. Harf means letter, which is Arabic, and instead we better use vaj, v-a-j, vaj, which is Persian. The next example, h plus a plus l together, hal. Hal means now, but this is an Arabic word, so instead we use aknoon. A plus k plus n plus u plus na. Aknoon is a Persian word which means now. H plus e plus s plus a plus d plus a and plus t together, hesadat. Hesadat means jealousy, but this is an Arabic word, so instead we use the Persian, which is rashk, r-a-sh-k, rashk. Let's go for more examples. S plus e plus h, se, which means 3. N plus o plus h, no, which means 9. P, e, s, t, e, h, peste, which means pistachio. H, a, n, d, e, h, khande, which means laughter. H, a, s, hasud, which means jealous. But hasud is an Arabic word, so instead we use a Persian word which is shur chashm. Shur chashm. H-E-S-A-B. Together, hesab, which means count. Hesab is an Arabic word, so instead we use the Persian word, the Persian synonym, and that is shomar. Shomar. Thank you for staying with me, and please subscribe my channel and share this video with all the Persian lovers so that they can learn Persian easily. Stay tuned.